Welcome to a community that has a warm place in my heart. I grew up here and I still can't believe the warm feeling I get when I walk and drive these streets. Imagine being so central, you're walking distance to downtown, kids' schools, SAIT, University of Calgary, Foothills Hospital. Join us today as we go through an oversized bungalow in Calgary's Briar Hill. As great as it is up here, downstairs has also been expanded and tastefully renovated. You've got a full bath, 2 bedrooms, 2 separate living areas. With the expansion, this house now comes in at a huge 1,280 square feet. And the kitchen addition features vaulted ceilings and picture windows that highlight this great west backyard.